Why does your scanner show the P0415 engine code? What does it mean? P0415 is a diagnostic trouble code for secondary air injection system switching valve B circuit malfunction. The P0415 engine code for indicate the engine control unit, ECU, has detected an electrical malfunction, such as an open circuit or short circuit. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty SAI switching valve B, damaged wiring or connectors, blown fuse or faulty SAI relay, clogged secondary air injection system, faulty powertrain control module, PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like BMW, Volkswagen, Ford, and Ram. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.